What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I am sincerely Niko, and in today's video we have a unboxing video from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god, mama, I made it. If you guys are completely new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join me here on my channel. I am setting trends, I am making waves, I am pushing through the beauty community and making my spot. And this is the first of many but major brands that I am working with this year. So if you guys are not subscribed and you just so happily just cross my page and you're watching this video, I've been telling y'all to subscribe and y'all think it's a joke. Your boy's making moves. Get with the game, honey. Get with the game. The winning team. Other than that, I know this video haven't started, but go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for Anastasia. Give them a thumbs up, honey. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. So a little backstory on this. On Twitter, Anastasia or Nervina was like, I want to add more people to the PR list. And I was like, oh, me. I felt like a lot of my friends in the beauty community, especially my male friends in the beauty community, was definitely getting recognized. And I felt like I was getting a little bit overshadowed and a little discouraged. And that's just me being a Leo, aka self-sabotage. But luckily, a angel came through, and so happily I received the email, and it was because of Jackie. So shout out to Jackie Ina. You put me on, girl. You put me on. You put me on, girl. Other than that, I've just been waiting for this package, and I have been praying for this package to be delivered. And so happily, it was delivered, but I wasn't home. So I had to run all the way to Austell, Georgia, which is close to Atlanta, to the FedEx department and wait for 30 minutes for the person to come back from delivering his other packages to pick this up. So I wasn't home to pick it up initially because I was at work, but I got the package today. That's all that matters, and I'm here to record this video and to show you guys what's inside this package. It's not even open just yet, so I'm about to open it up and unbox it. Gonna cut with my scissors. Alright, so here's everything. It's wrapped up, bubble wrapped down. Woo! Bubble wrapped down boots. I'm so ready to get inside of what's in here. I already see something that my eyes is dying to use. And that is the Sunset Aura highlighter. Then I got another So Hollywood highlighter. I already own the So Hollywood highlighter, so I got a backup. The new ABH PR mirror. So I have last year's ABH PR mirror. This is this year's ABH PR mirror. I was gifted this PR mirror from a special someone in my life. Now I have the updated one. So I have two ABH PR mirrors. Then on to this baggie here, I have some foundation sticks. Let's see what colors I have in here. Also some dip brows and dip pencils and etc. I have foundation stick in Cool Earth and Ebony. I have another one in Truffle and Earth. So I have a total of 4 foundation sticks. I already own 2 foundation sticks. I think I own Espresso and Truffle. So Earth, Cool Earth, and Ebony is new to me. 2 dip brow gels. I got the shade Ebony and Granite. I own the shade, what shade is this? I own Ebony already, so I have 2 Ebonies and I got a Granite. Backups, keeping me stocked. Got a couple of brow pencils and a liner. I have the Dark Side liner already, so this is a backup as well. Then I have Brow Wiz in Ebony, Brow Wiz in Granite, Brow Definer in Ebony, Brow Definer in Granite, and then I have the Perfect Pencil in Granite. So I have a lot of brow pencils. I have the brow gel, the clear brow gel. I have 2 brow powders, one in the shade Granite. I'm gonna show you guys. This is Granite. Very cool tone. I love that on the tails of my brows. And then I also have Ebony, which is warm tone. And I love that for the front of my brows. I have the cream liner, waterproof cream gel liner in Jet. I have another dip brow in Ebony, and I have a dip brow in Granite. I don't own the dip brow in Granite, so this is new to me. I also do have the waterproof cream color in Sable and also in Honey. I love to use Honey. I think this is discontinued, but I love to use Honey as an eye primer when I'm wearing bright shadows. And then I also have a sharpener. I always need a new sharpener. So that's pretty much all the brow products. I have a bundle of lipsticks, some lippies. She gifted me Rogue Latte Cobalt Resin, Cool Brown Dread Rust Stevie, Griffin Rosewood Ruby Brandy, Dusty Mauve, and Rum Punch. I already own the shade Brandy because it's a really pretty deep Merlot red. Something that I would definitely wear. So I have some new shades to play with. Ooh, oh, 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 okay, oh, okay. Okay, girl. Okay, girl. Girl. Oh my gosh. There's so many liquid lipsticks. Oh my god. Current, Weekender, Ashes, Days, Tulip, Ashton. I own Ashton already. Allison, Grim, Trust Issues, Toast, Bittersweet, Dusty Rose, Madison, Tara the lip gloss, Heather the liquid lipstick, Vintage the gloss, Safine the gloss, Maple the gloss, Poet liquid lipstick, Stone, I don't own Stone, Kristen, Gilded, Caitlin, Warm Bronze, I own her already, Vamp, American Doll, Sepia, I own her, Toffee, Fudge, I own her already, Caramel, Sepia the lip gloss, and I also have Sepia the liquid lipstick. Rum, Taboo, Malt. I've been eyeing Malt for a moment. And Veronica. These are all these little baddies in here. Then I have some blushes and bronzers. I have this one already. So this is just a backup. This is Berry Amore. Let me take the film off of it. That's Berry Amore. I've used her plenty of times, so she's no stranger to me. Then Cocktail Party. I do not own this one. This Cocktail Party. I am excited about this shade right here. This screams my name. So that's dope. And then a bronzer in Mahogany. I've been eyeing this as well too. Get into her. I'm so ready to dip into this. I'm so ready to dip into this. I'm so ready. I'm so ready. You don't understand. I'm so ready. I'm so ready. So ready. Then I have the sculpting brow kit with some scissors, some stencils, and some tweezers. I really don't do too much to my brows, except for like, how can I say, razor the ends to kind of be more of a straight brow than anything. But I'm probably going to do a tutorial with the stencils just to kind of give you guys an idea of how those roll. Then I have some brow brushes, the 18, the 12, this is the 12. I have the 3, the 20, ooh, that's gonna carve out this brow, baby. 7B, 14, and the 15. Mainly, I'm super duper excited for the brushes because Anastasia really doesn't sell her brushes at Sephora, so you really can't get your hands on the brushes unless you order them off of her website. And I have been eyeing a lot of their brushes, so I got my hands on some brushes, baby. So let's get into some palettes real quickly. This is the Sun Dip Glow Kit. I already own this palette. As you guys can see, this is no stranger to my channel. I love the shade Bronzed in Tourmaline. So I already own this already, so this is just a backup or maybe a future giveaway. Subculture, I own this palette already. I love it, especially I love the shade All Star, which is that deep plum berry, and then of course like Roxy and Cube. Cube is cute. I also own this one as well too, the Modern Renaissance, the Rivera palette. I own another one. She's so gorgeous, so pretty. The Prism palette, I have another one. Soft Glam. I own this one as well too. My everyday neutral palette. And then the one palette that I do not own is the mother herself, Norvina. This one is that cool tone palette that I was telling you guys about. So I'm gonna do a look with this one. I'm gonna see if this one slaps. I'm gonna see if this one definitely gives me what I need. The dewy set. Ooh, yes. I don't got no makeup on and I already feel dewy. Do me, baby. Then we got some of the single shadows in a Z palette. I have a total of 3 in here. And if this is the one that I was looking at, oh my God, yes, I got the one that I wanted. I wanted this one. I wanted the one with the open case and the individual ones that you can see through, because I do makeup freelance wise, so this allows me to see the shadow shades in the Z palette compared to the other ones that a lot of people are getting. They're getting the one that covers up and that's free form and you can kind of move them around. This one you can't move around, but you can see the shades. And I wanted this one when I was watching everybody else PR boxing, and I got the one that I want. Got it. This is the second full palette, so this is like a very much spectrum colorful palette. And then I got a couple of neutral shades. There's a black up here that you probably can't see, but these are a lot of neutral shades, and I have some more space to fill in when they come out with new shades. I do have some of their old discontinued shades in a MAC Z palette. I will be popping them in here so that they can all be together as one big family. Star of the show for me, brushes. You guys know, if you don't know me, I'm a brush hoarder. All my friends know I have over like 300 something plus brushes. And Norvina just made me more of an addict for brushes. Pretty much everything that I got. Oh, wait a minute. A little bougie mirror. Blinding you hoes. All 2019. Then I got a little pen. This has the ABH logo on it. I'm going to be putting this on my shirt for work. I guess only the PR girls got this, so let the girls know that I'm on PR. We got a little blending sponge, Anastasia blending sponge. And then last but not least, the keychain. Hold on, wait. Let me get into my Tammy mode. Let me get into my Tammy. Beauty by Tammy. Shout out to you, Tammy. You are a mean girl. I got the keychain, so of course this is going on my keys. Can I help you? Can I help you? Hello? Can I help you? You want your brows done? Oh, okay. All right, guys. Woo. Thank you so much to Norvina, to Jackie Aina, and to each and every one of you guys who retweeted my name, who tagged me in the post, who said, Norvina, check me out. This is a blessing. This is a blessing. I've worked with companies before, and this is no new strange round. This is not my first PR package before, but this is a large major brand that is sold in not only Sephora, not only in Macy's, not only in Ulta, but in large major retail stores. They have a cult following. Their brow products are always on point, and for them to believe in my craft and my artistry and say we want to send you some products, I'm forever grateful. And I promise to Jackie and I promise to Novena, I'm not going to let you guys down. The content's going to be a banger, and I'm just so happy. I'm ecstatic to just receive this package. It's mind-blowing. Alright guys, so that's pretty much everything in this box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this is not me to brag that I made the list, but this is to show that I've been on YouTube for about 4 years doing this whole makeup journey, and I'm finally getting some type of recognition. If you guys are not following me on social media, especially Twitter and Instagram, please do so, because that's where I'm the most active at, and that's where this happened. So if you guys are out of the loop and you're literally watching this video like, oh my god, congratulations, you're not following me on my other social media, that tells me that literally tells me that. But other than that, I'm gonna end this video here. I want to say thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video. If you are not subscribed and you made it this far, please subscribe, sis. Subscribe, please. Other than that, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna go and wash this hair and prepare for another Benefit Brow video that's coming out real soon. So go follow my Instagram so you don't miss out on that video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.
Dirty, leave it, don't format it. Don't format it. Don't format it.